I'm DuRand, the Aviation Maintenance Technology Director here at California Aeronautical University. And today our students are going to be competing with each other to see exactly what skills they have acquired over the last 6 months that they've been in training. Our first competition that we're going to have is a tire changing competition. So they're going to be removing tires that are flat from the aircraft, and they're going to install new tires and new tubes and go through that process. Logbook entry processes will be done after they've completed the actual physical work. The second portion of the competition is going to entail a safety wiring turnbuckle safety off, as I like to call it, where they will be safety wiring the turnbuckles that are part of the control system for the flight controls, and it's what we need to secure those components so that they don't come loose in flight and that the pilots don't lose control of the aircraft. Thirdly, they're going to be performing a electrical component where they're going to be working on training boxes to make various components of lights and some other things come on. So it'll be, they're learning their skills and putting to use what they've learned in the electrical portion program they've gone through in their general section.
Fellas, I'm the team captain for the Cookie Num Num, and we are really ready to be together today.
Hi, my name is Robert, and we're the
A-Team.
and we're ready to kick some butt.
Yeah.